fans so excited now. There will be a Game 6 back home at Amalie.
Yeah, tonight they cheered on the Bolts on tonight's watch party. 8 Under Side's Nico Clements was there. Nico, wild scene out there, I can imagine.
Wild scene. It was packed in here tonight. You could probably still hear and see some of the fans. They just don't want to leave. But I'll tell you, everyone was on the edge of their seats. I'll tell you, though, not too many people here believe the Lightning were going to lose. They really expected a Game 6, and you could feel that energy all night.
A pivotal game for the Bolts and another watch party at Amalie Arena.
Go Bolts!
Some Bolts fans were a bit anxious ahead of Game 5, but not all. Not John Hurry.
Tampa's a hockey town, guys. Tampa's a hockey town.
Born and raised in Tampa, Hurry has cheered on the Lightning for years. And you'll find him at just about every home game and watch party.
The environment, I mean, looking around.
Friday night was no different. He, like many fans, prayed for a win to keep the Bolts' three-peat hopes alive. And it's not just the fans sitting around the ice.
Oh, yeah, exciting.
Tammy Tolbert has worked concessions at Amalie Arena for 3 years, making sure people have something good to eat.
Blooming onions, burgers, tenders, fries.
She describes the last several years as nothing short of exciting, and the watch parties electric.
Ooh, the energy has been real strong, real good. Everybody wants this third one.
Tolbert usually shows up hours before the game or watch party, and hours before the fans file in. She's gotten to know some of them through the years.
I know quite a few of them. If they move, when they move me around to different stands, or they come find me and say, hey, how you doing?
And the season is not over for these fans who you'll find out if you go to some of these games or watch parties. They are really ride or die fans. We'll see them again at Game 6 here at Amalie Arena on Sunday. I'm live at Amalie Arena. Nico Clements, 8 on your side.